Number 1. Turn heads with this 1964 Mercury Comet Caliente, available for $9,750 or best offer in Summerdale, Alabama. With just 27,000 miles, this stunning red-on-red classic combines striking style with solid functionality. It starts reliably, features good brakes, and retains all its original trim, making it a standout option for collectors or enthusiasts. As a prime example of 1960s automotive design, this Comet Caliente offers both charm and character, perfect for those seeking a stylish vintage ride to restore or enjoy as is. Number 2. Embrace vintage charm with this 1973 Chevrolet Nova, available for $6,500 in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. Powered by a reliable 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission, this classic sedan retains its original features and has 68,897 miles on the odometer. Offering a solid foundation for restoration or customization, the Nova combines practicality with timeless appeal, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts looking to own a piece of Chevrolet's iconic legacy. Number 3. Step into the world of classic American muscle with this 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe, priced at $6,500 in Austin, Texas. Powered by a 289 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, this iconic Mustang starts but will need clutch work to get it road ready. With intact glass, working lights, and a clean title, it offers a solid foundation for a rewarding project. For enthusiasts looking to restore or customize a piece of automotive history, this Mustang is an excellent opportunity to own a timeless classic. Number 4. Step back in time with this rugged 1977 Ford F150 regular cab short bed, offered at $5,500 in McAllen, Texas. Equipped with a reliable 302 engine and an automatic transmission, this classic pickup runs and drives smoothly, presenting no major issues. Its black exterior and beige interior exude vintage charm, making it a standout choice for restoration or customization. As part of the iconic F-Series lineup, the 1977 F-150 is celebrated for its durability and versatility, solidifying its place as a favorite among truck enthusiasts. Number 5. Unleash the potential of this sleek 1977 Chevrolet Impala 2-door, available in Tulsa, Oklahoma for $8,500 or $6,500 on stock wheels. With a rust-free body, new glass, and a clean title, this classic is prepped and waiting for its final touch, a fresh coat of paint. Adding a modern twist, it's equipped with a sub, amp, and stereo system, making it a blend of classic design and contemporary features. The 1977 Impala continues to be a symbol of Chevrolet's craftsmanship, offering timeless style and ample opportunities for customization or restoration. Number 6. Discover the timeless charm of this 1957 Pontiac Chief, listed in Winchester, Kentucky for $6,500. Powered by a 348 engine with an automatic transmission and a sturdy frame, it boasts new disc brakes, wheels, tires, exhaust, and a gas tank. The interior is well kept, and the solid body has only 2 patched floor spots. Ideal for restoration or use as a stylish daily driver, the 1957 Pontiac Chief represents an era of bold design and engineering excellence. Number 7. Step into the legacy of this 1973 Chevrolet C10, priced at $5,000 in Shawnee, Oklahoma. With 42,000 miles and a rich family history, this long bed pickup offers a glimpse into classic American utility. Passed down from the second owner, it features minor cosmetic dings, but remains free from major damage. While it last ran in October 2023 and requires new tires, the clean title and solid foundation make it a promising project. Known for its durability and timeless design, the 1973 Chevrolet C10 continues to be a favorite among vintage truck enthusiasts. Number 8. Unleash your passion for speed with this 1974 Chevrolet Vega, listed at $9,200 in York Haven, Pennsylvania. Built for performance, this hot rod comes equipped with a 350 engine, power glide transmission, ladder bars, and a 10-bolt rear with 4.10 gears, making it ideal for drag racing or cruising. A Additional features include a roll cage, side pipes, fuel cell, quick-release steering wheel, and weld wheels, showcasing its race-ready potential. Available with or without the engine, this Vega is a thrilling opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a high-performance classic with endless possibilities. Number 9. Take the wheel of this 1987 Dodge D250 regular cab, priced at $4,500 in New Springfield, Ohio. With 93,000 miles, this 3/4-ton truck boasts a 318 engine, automatic transmission, and factory AC. Rust is minimal, limited to a small spot on the passenger side bed wheel well, while the undercarriage remains clean with original fuel and brake lines. It runs and drives, but would benefit from light servicing, making it a great option for truck enthusiasts. The 1987 Dodge D250 offers durability and classic style in a hardworking pickup. Number 10. Own a piece of classic motoring with this 1967 Plymouth Fury 3, priced at $6,500 in Gallipolis, Ohio. Powered by a 318 engine with a 4-barrel intake and automatic transmission, it has 86,750 miles and runs well as a daily driver. While it needs minor bodywork, seat repairs, and a new headliner, this project car retains a clean title and plenty of potential. Known for its stylish design and solid performance, the 1967 Plymouth Fury 3 is an excellent choice for collectors or vintage car enthusiasts. Number 11. Rediscover a classic with this 1974 Chevrolet Vega GT, priced at $6,800 in Oxford, Wisconsin. Powered by its original 4-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, this well-preserved gem has just 48,000 miles and a clean title. Recent updates include new tires, a rebuilt Holley carburetor, and a new Hurst shifter, ensuring it runs and drives superbly. Perfect for collectors or those eyeing a V8 swap for added performance, the 1974 Vega GT blends vintage charm with exciting potential. Number 12. Get ready to hit the road with this 1996 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab short bed, listed for $8,500 in Three Rivers, Michigan. With 113,000 miles, it's equipped with a dependable V8 engine and 4x4 capability. Recent updates include new tires and a refreshed exhaust system, making it ideal for work or daily driving. Clean, rust-free, and fully operational, this classic pickup offers a blend of reliability and timeless appeal for truck enthusiasts. Number 13. Make a bold entrance with this 1985 Chevrolet Caprice Landau, priced at $7,000 in Decatur, Georgia. Powered by a 350 engine paired with a 700R4 transmission, it runs flawlessly and is completely rust-free. Its striking appearance is enhanced by 24-inch Ashanti rims, adding a touch of flair to its classic design. With 150,000 miles and a clean title, this standout vehicle is ready to hit the road, offering a perfect blend of style and performance for enthusiasts. Number 14. Take on a classic project with this 1975 Ford F150 short bed, listed for $4,000 in Cartersville, Georgia. Equipped with a 302 V8 engine, 4-speed transmission, and 4x4 capability, this sturdy truck runs and drives but will need brake work to be road ready. The seller provides new brake parts, and the hood simply needs bolting back on. With significant restoration potential, this F100 offers a great opportunity for off-road enthusiasts or collectors eager to bring a rugged classic back to life. Number 15. Step into classic luxury with this 1977 Cadillac DeVille d'Elegance, priced at $2,800 in Verona, Virginia. Featuring a powerful 425 engine and 142,000 original miles, this sedan offers a smooth, comfortable ride and iconic style. With only 2 previous owners and a clean title, it provides an affordable entry into the world of vintage Cadillacs. Known for its unmatched elegance, the 1977 DeVille d'Elegance remains a prime example of classic American luxury, making it a standout option for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 16. Discover a true classic with this 1975 Lincoln Continental, listed for $4,000 in Columbia, Kentucky. With just 70,472 miles and a clean title, this luxury sedan is in near mint condition both inside and out. The engine was partially disassembled for a gasket refresh, but the process was halted due to the owner's injury. However, all parts are included for reassembly. This Lincoln Continental offers a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to restore a high-end luxury vehicle to its former glory, combining timeless style with exceptional comfort. Number 17. This 1974 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe, priced at $8,000 in Loudon, Tennessee, is a solid classic ready for its next chapter. Powered by a 350 engine with a cam and paired with a 350 turbo transmission, it runs and drives smoothly. The truck features a sturdy body with minor rust spots, a clean title, and some stylish interior details. While it lacks a tailgate and glove box, it includes a front bumper, making it a great base for restoration or customization. This C10 is perfect for enthusiasts seeking a classic truck with plenty of potential. Number 18. This 1975 Ford Courier, priced at $1,500 in Austin, Texas, is a rare and distinctive mini truck crafted by Mazda for Ford. With a clean title and original parts, it offers an excellent foundation for restoration, despite its engine no longer turning over after years of sitting. The bed shows some rust, but the interior remains clean, making it an appealing project for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a unique classic. The Ford Courier stands out as an early compact pickup with enduring charm and potential. Number 19. This 1970 AMC Ambassador SST, priced at $2,000 in Elgin, Illinois, is a classic with plenty of potential for restoration. Equipped with a 304 V8 engine and an automatic transmission, it has 85,000 miles and comes with a clean title. The car includes a newly installed floor pan, but will require towing and additional work to reach its full glory. A rare gem among AMC models, the 1970 Ambassador SST offers a rewarding opportunity for enthusiasts or anyone seeking a vintage project car with timeless style and character. Number 20. This 1978 Ford F150 short bed, priced at $6,500 in Houston, Texas, is a classic pickup with great potential. Powered by a 351 V8 engine, it starts but needs a carburetor adjustment after years of sitting. The truck features a clean title and a solid short bed body, offering a strong foundation for restoration or customization. Known for its rugged design and timeless appeal, this F-150 is an excellent choice for enthusiasts looking to bring a classic truck back to life.